We've been lied to. She's telling me what you're in here so that we're gonna get in trouble. Oh. Yes! What is your problem? We need that thing from the libraries. What happened?
She forgot her glasses upstairs.
Doesn't she need them to live? How does she forget something she needs to live? I don't know how many jars I need. I'm gonna fall. No, it's alright, but we're fine. Why did you laugh at me? You're gonna have a bunch of stuff to just edit out.
Why aren't you explaining what we're doing?
You want the Mai Tai?
Right now? What time is it? 11:31. Fine. Okay, hi everyone. Do you want to explain what we're doing?
Making Mai Tais. What do you mean? We're making red pepper jelly.
Red pepper jelly. Okay, do you want a blender or you just want it on ice? I say blend it.
Actually, that's too much work. Do you know why it's too much work?
Noise?
No, then we have to wash the blender.
I'll
This
wash the
if we
blender.
just shake it with ice, it will be cold.
Okay, fine, shake it.
Okay, we'll have to put it on.
Read the back.
With this whole virus thing, Jen's home, and we've been making drinks every day. In a cocktail glass, add chipped ice, then add 135 ml. The floor look loose.
Sure. Okay, while Jen's making this, well, let me get the ice first. Do you want me to put the ice in this?
Yeah.
Okay, that can be my glass, because it has more ice. 40. Okay, while Jen's making a drink, we're making red pepper jelly.
Oh, that's what I already told them.
Yes, but what's it for?
To eat.
No, Jennifer. Anyways, what are the ingredients?
Do you want to set this on fire?
Sure.
There's too much. Can you see it?
Whoa! Yeah, you can kind of see it.
Alright, that's it. Alright, taste test both of them because one's on fire. I need to go have this back downstairs if they don't know.
Okay. It's good. Oh, this one's stronger.
Which one's better?
This one's stronger. You don't like?
It tastes weird.
You wanna try mine? That's the flaming one.
I don't like it plain.
Yeah, okay.
I'll just add more light.
Okay, what do we need to do?
You have to cut the bell peppers like fine, but then you have to put it in the processor anyway.
Okay. What are you doing with your hand?
My hands are dirty.
Look, you're using your finger.
Yeah, and we used to use the cat's paws to stir things up for difference.
That's not true. I don't like you. Why? I put the camera there. You move out of the shot.
Yeah, because the bell peppers are here.
Liar. You want to update them?
I'm washing dishes.
What? We threw everything into a pot.
Everything.
And now we're waiting for it to boil.
And then you're gonna add the pectin.
Yee, the most important part. Oh wow, it's hard.
Stir it.
Oh crap.
Get like a fork.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for it.
It's fine, I'll just spoon it out. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Because it's gonna go in heat anyway.
So it'll melt again.
Yeah, hopefully. This looks like wax.
And we're eating this.
What do you think Jello is made out of? Horse hooves.
How did they go in?
Our heart's not in it. We're gonna take a break from YouTube, guys. We need a mental break.
What?
Everyone probably knew that was coming. Except me. The chefs are coming for you.
Okay, I think that you should do something.
Why?
It's bubbling a lot.
I don't know if I should turn it down. Oh, you did.
I didn't.
Did you not?
No.
It said gradually. Was that gradual? Is it dissolving?
Yeah.
Google what happens when pectin hardens. Why are you laughing? I must be laughing.
You know, like when people cook, and you know how it
You can stop! Whose fault is that?
and you know how like
Give me the measuring glass.
part of the process is waiting.
Yeah.
What if we waited? And it turns out horrible. We wasted all that time.
You only have to wait 12 hours.
12 hours is a lot of time.
Okay, let it simmer for a little bit then.
So leave it on low.
Yes. I do not know what simmer means.
So like, how many times are we going to be making this?
Whenever, because we still have a lot of green peppers.
Oh yeah.
Do we have a ladle? I think we do.
Ladle. Maybe.
That looks like jelly.
Oh, that looks like jelly.
Ooh, taste it.
It's good, right?
Good. Oh my gosh. Alright, kids. Today we learned it doesn't matter if the pectin hardens. Ooh, it's spicy though. Okay, well, we'll turn this off.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I have to ladle it.
Ladle.
Is it handling the heat? Can you handle the heat? I'm gonna take a snap today. Okay, take a snap for me. Send it to all my streets.
Okay. Behind the scenes of Jen's snaps, even though you guys can't see it because her
Oh, maybe I don't
brightness
need
is so
two jars.
low.
I don't think I need both jars.
Oh, look at that.
Ladle. You're doing a video?
To make? No, do you want it to make
Oh,
video?
no.
Okay, something to make red pepper jelly. Hit me up if you want some. You don't have that many streaks.
Yeah,
You literally only have 8.
I broke them all.
Why?
Because I can. Okay, I lied. I do need to use the last jar.
You're making a mess.
Yeah, obviously I'm making a mess. Okay, now should.
How's this gonna go in soup? Like, I'd rather just eat this with crackers. So what are you doing?
So now I'm just gonna close it.
And then we can eat?
No, we can't eat it yet.
You're such an addict. Wow. I'm gonna put it on a cracker and fry it. I'll bring the pot here.
So I don't think we explained at all the steps that we just did.
Yeah, because you didn't. I don't like to film with you.
Did you explain it?
No, because you were just go, go, go. I was cutting the pepper and you're on the other side. You, no, no. I thought you just wanted to.
Look, this didn't get the water.
Now we have to be patient. Wait a minute. This is your glass.
Is it actually? Oh.
This one's mine. I'm almost done.
Yeah, because you did nothing. I was doing most of the cooking. We're boring.
No, you're boring.
That's not nice.
Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay,
going with the less peppers.
let's do the less peppers. We're gonna try the red pepper jelly because it's been sitting for 24 hours. Lies.
23 hours and a half.
So now we're gonna try it. I know we kind of tried it yesterday, but like.
Technically, you're supposed to have this on cream cheese. Also, I think it should have been thicker than what it is.
I'm just sad.
I like it. Why are you sad?
I don't know.
This tastes good.
Okay.
What did you do? Oh, that tastes really good. I'm kind of happy it worked out. Wait, what did you say?
Take out the jelly.
Why are you in the shot?
Oh, what do you have about the background in it?
What do you mean? It's gonna be blurry.
Why are you putting your hand behind it?
Because I wanted to focus it. You're gonna make me drop it.
I hope so.
I'm gonna board this.
You like?
Because I don't like alcohol. Java, I can't